Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to create an Elementor widget. First, you'll need to set up your development environment and register your custom widget. This involves extending the widget base class and defining its unique name, title, and icon. Make sure your widget is properly categorized so it appears in the Elementor editor panel. This initial setup is crucial for Elementor to recognize and load your custom functionality, allowing you to start adding controls and content. Now, let's add some interactive controls to your widget. These controls allow users to customize the widget's appearance and content directly from the Elementor editor. You'll use methods like add control within a register controls function. Think about what options your widget needs, such as text input, color pickers, or image uploads. Grouping these controls into sections helps keep the editor clean and user-friendly, making your widget intuitive to use. With controls in place, the next step is to render your widget's output on the front end. This is handled by the render method, where you'll retrieve the values set by the user through your controls. You'll then use these values to generate the HTML that appears on the page. It's important to ensure your HTML is well-structured and accessible, providing a seamless experience for visitors. This is where your widget truly comes to life. Finally, let's explore some advanced features to make your widget even more powerful. You can add custom CSS and JavaScript to create unique animations or interactive elements. Elementor also provides various hooks and filters, allowing you to extend its core functionality or integrate with other WordPress plugins. This opens up a world of possibilities for complex and dynamic widgets. Remember to check the description for links to helpful resources and other great deals. And hey, life's too short for cheap socks, so consider Darn Tough for their amazing lifetime warranty.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.